Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 9th of January. And first of all, national news. Ram Lala Idol's Ayodhya tour cancelled due to crowd management concerns. PM Modi will also inaugurate BAP's Hindu Mandir in Abu Dhabi on February 14. Tamil Nadu transport workers declared indefinite strike amid Pongal rush. Indigo fixed rates per seat front row to coast up to rupees 2000. Maharashtra Speaker to give verdict on disqualification request on January 10. Will have to constitute bench Chief Justice on collegium system. Working hard to ensure devotees don't face inconvenience, Ram Temple Trust Chief. Delhi's per capita income rose to 4,44,748 in 2023, highest in India. Delhi recorded second coldest day of the month so far. Write in capital letters, High Court on doctors, jig-jag handwriting. India tech valuations put to the test as earnings remain under pressure. Karnataka High Court banned mining around KRS Dam, warned of colossal hazard. Now, international news. China valued ally, integral collaborator, Maldives President Amit Rao with India. Indians boycotting Maldives will hit hard, ex-island nation Minister Amit Rao. In relief for Nawaz Sharif, Pakistan MP's lifetime disqualification cancelled. India, a great friend of Bangladesh, PM Sheikh Hasina after election won. US launch first moon mission in 5 decades. Set to land on February 23. Now some sports news. Under 19 World Cup winner removed from Delhi captaincy after humiliating Ranji Trophy defeat. Ajinkya Rahane explained absence from Mumbai playing 11th for Ranji Trophy match against Bihar. Football legend Franz Beckenbauer died at 78. German Football Federation. Business-related news. Bajaj Auto to buy back shares worth rupees 4,000 crore at rupees 10,000 apiece. DGCA revised flight duty norms. Pilots to get more rest amid fatigue concern. 93.83% of total broad gauge route electrified railways. Adani Group to invest rupees 42,700 crore in Tamil Nadu. Bloomberg proposed India gilts in emerging market local currency index. Global cooperation declining after resilience through 2012 to 2020 with the effect of study. And that's all in news. Thank you.